This is a new 2013 Lincoln MKT. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, memory seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Rapid Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1510 Hokodama Avenue South, Grand Rapids, Minnesota 55744.